up, this is right back again and welcome back to my video, guys. So yeah, last time I made about the Mazda MX-5, it was a Mad Mike's car, like it's extremely awesome, and now I got two Miatas in my collection of Mazdas, including the RX-7. So yup, here today it is the same Hot Wheels unboxing video, new Hot Wheels coming up. It's the 85 Honda City Turbo 2, which is such a tiny little car. Like, I don't know what you call it, whether it's the Turbo II or Double L or you know what I call it's the Turbo 2. So yep guys, you know the drill of today. First for the unboxing, and then let's look at the car and let's talk about it, and then we'll go for the information about this car. Like, I've got some serious good facts about this car, so let's look at it. Wow guys, take a look at this mini car right here. It looks so amazing. Especially its tininess brings out the kind of a cute look of this car. Actually, to tell guys, this is quite smaller. It's way too small than the Mars Mini. Well, I thought that was the smallest car. Well, not. It ain't. This is. The Honda City Turbo is. Damn, this car looks awesome with those wheels. Like, I haven't seen them in the Hot Wheels. And of course, the bad part is the missing tail lamps and the headlamps, which is, yup, not so good in detailing. Well, rather than that, it's really nice. And guys, the most best part, it has a sunroof. I can't believe it that nowadays most of the sedans don't have the sunroof, but this hatchback back in those days had the sunroof. It's really amazing to know that, guys. So yep guys, as we have taken a round look on this car, why don't we go for the information about it? So yep, here it comes. Guys, coming up to the information about the 85 Honda City Turbo 2 right here. Why don't we start off with the production? The production actually began in 1981 and sadly ended up in 1986. Well, probably due to its design, or people didn't prefer the hatchbacks of those days. Time about the body style. The body style is actually a 3-door hatchback, or you can get it in a 4-seater 2-door convertible, which is quite trending, I say. Well, time about the engine. The engine is actually a 1.2-liter ER inline 4-cylinder, which is commonly known in all kinds of sedans and hatchbacks. Well, yup. Time about the horsepower. The horsepower in this car is 109 horsepower, reasonably good. Time about the transmission. The transmission you get in a 5-speed manual, or you get in a 4+3-speed hypershift manual, which adds some power to it. Well, time about the length. The length of this car is 3,420 in millimeters, guys. Time about the width. The width of this car is 1,625 in millimeters. Well, coming up to the second best part, that's the acceleration time. The 0 to 60, it does it in 7.9 seconds. Well, that's reasonably good. Time about the best part, that's the top speed. The top speed of this car is 175 kilometers per hour. Well, it's not miles per hour. Don't get that thing. So, yep, guys. The price of this car, major people gather up here. The price of this car is actually $5 grand, which is, yup, very cheap. Well, time about the last part. The last part is the special facts. So yep, let's go for it. Let's see what's it got over here. Well, this is quite big. So yep guys, here it tells that this Honda, being a hatchback, comes with a foldable moto comp which fits at the boot. So you might be thinking, what's a moto comp? That's actually a mini scooter, guys. It's kind of like a mini bike which you can fit in this car's boot and just ride away. I'm just putting the pictures over here. You can check that out. It's truly awesome to know that this small hatchback can store such a vehicle inside itself. So yep guys, as I've ended up all the information right here, you know what to do if you are new. Just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys, with another probably Hot Wheel. So till then, stay tuned and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.